You only need 2 ingredients to make the creamiest dessert you'll see today. It's quick and easy, there's no way to resist. Let's start by adding 8 grams of strawberry-flavored gelatin to the bowl. And boy, is this dessert amazing! Now let's add 600 ml of hot water. Once this is done, we will mix very well, and if you like easy recipes like this, click the like button and comment here below. I love easy recipes. And guys, I have a recipe with a very important message for you. Our recipes are only appearing to those who are interacting with us. So if you want to continue receiving more recipes like this, leave in the comments below which city you are following us in. I want to send you a big hug and thank you for sharing this recipe. You will mix very well until the gelatin dissolves completely. That's it. Now it's perfect. Set this part aside, and then in the blender, we will add 4 boxes of cream. Now we will add all the gelatin that we have just prepared. Once this is done, we will cover and let it mix very well for approximately 2 minutes. If you like quick and delicious recipes like this, you need to make this dessert at home. It's incredible. An unexpected visitor arrived at your house. Make this dessert that I'm sure she will love. Mixed, cooled, ready. It's quick and easy. If you want to continue receiving more recipes like this, leave it in the comments below. I want it, and don't forget to like, comment and share. That's it. It's already liquefied here very well. Now transfer all this mixture to a plate, and guys, the dessert yields a lot. It is creamy and consistent, tasty and incredible. Now place it in the fridge for 2 hours or until firm. And look, our dessert is ready. Now I'm going to take a piece so you can see how consistent and mouth-wateringly creamy it is. Look how amazing it is in your home, then come back here in the comments and tell me what you think. Did you think? I really hope you like this recipe, and don't forget to leave a review. From 0 to 10, what rating do you give to this dessert? Now I'll stop here and see you in the next video.